Ms. L also somehow knew or believed that the jury was asking questions that were purportedly serving to save plaintiff's time on the shot clock. For example, on October 19th, 2023, Ms. L wrote, maybe Anderson will cross after questions to save time. On October 19th, Ms. L posted, so proud of Anderson. He was like a cat. No questions after. Just to pounce after the jury questions. Kudos.
We all said the same thing. We liked that. He was like, just sat down, let the jury ask the questions.
But on October 20th, Ms. L paid to super chat the following comment.
Why are we so
plaintiff runs out of time?
Wifey?
Because they don't have anything to say about juror number one. If plaintiff runs out of time, can the depositions be played since part of it goes to the plaintiff's time? And on October 25th, Ms. L commented, yes, more hours for plaintiff. In response to continued questions from jurors, Ms. L commented, jury, love it. Even if evidence of shared alignment between juror number one and his wife as to the desired outcome of the trial were not so compelling. So even if the previous 13 pages were bullshit, even if
everything that guy just says bullshit. Thank you.
Even if that is the case, and it is, the defendant would still satisfy the standard for a juror interview, specifically the entire internet community.
Italics.
Of the heavy bias in plaintiff's favor on the part of a juror's wife.
The entire internet community.
I must admit, I was completely and utterly unaware of her existence.
So was I. I'm the internet community.
Defense made me aware of them through this motion. I had no idea she existed. The entire internet community was made aware of the heavy bias in plaintiff's favor on the part of the juror's wife, plainly compromising the integrity of the jury process. She's not on the jury. I can't say that enough times. You range between rage and embarrassment for them, and then sometimes it's like you're laughing and raging at the same time. She's not on the jury.
No.
What she says on the internet has nothing to do with compromising the integrity of the jury process.
Here's a serious question, though. Serious question. I realized nothing she did was wrong. However, if you're on a jury or someone is going to be on a jury, do they now have to tell their spouse, you also have to act like you're on the jury?
No, they're not on the jury.
I know, but like,
they're not.
Who wants to go through this? Who wants to
Nobody.
go through this? Nobody wants to go. So now if you're on a jury, you're probably going to turn to your spouse and be like, you better not post about anything about this case at all. Just pretend like you don't know about it.
I mean, that is kind of wise, non-legal advice. Yeah.
I mean, right? But it is bullshit because it curtails somebody else's free speech who is not curtailed in any way by any court order, by any judge's order, by any oath, by anything. So it pisses me off on that level. But on another level, it's like, well, if you find yourself on one of these juries and it's a high profile, there's cameras in the courtroom, here's how you know. If there's a camera in the courtroom, tell your spouse. Don't post about this anywhere because this shit will come back to bite us.
And when the entire internet community is biased against you, maybe you have a sucky case.
Yeah, you think?